When it comes to cleaning out your home, office, or property in Austin, hiring a junk removal company can save you time, effort, and stress. Whether you're moving, renovating, or simply decluttering, choosing the right junk removal service is crucial for getting the job done efficiently and responsibly. With so many options available in Austin, it can be difficult to know where to start. In this article, we'll guide you through the key factors to consider when choosing the best junk removal company for your needs. From pricing to environmental responsibility, the right company can help you clear out unwanted items without the hassle. Look for a company with transparent pricing. One of the first things to consider when selecting a junk removal company in Austin is pricing. A reputable junk removal service will offer transparent pricing, so you know exactly what you'll pay before the work begins. Avoid companies that give vague quotes or provide an estimate over the phone without seeing the amount of junk you have. Many junk removal companies charge based on the amount of space your items take up in their truck or the weight of the items being removed. Make sure you ask for a written estimate or a clear breakdown of the pricing structure. Additionally, find out if there are any hidden fees, such as charges for extra labor or hazardous waste removal. A reliable company will provide you with an upfront, no-obligation estimate, ensuring that you won't be surprised by any unexpected costs at the end of the job. Check for license, insurance, and experience. When hiring a junk removal service, it's important to verify that the company is licensed and insured. A properly licensed company ensures that they meet the legal requirements in Austin and are equipped to handle the job safely. Insurance is essential because it protects you in case of accidental damage to your property during the removal process. Experience is another important factor. Look for a junk removal company that has been in business for a while and has a proven track record of customer satisfaction. Experienced companies are more likely to have the right equipment and processes in place to handle any type of junk removal project, from small residential jobs to large commercial cleanouts. Consider the range of services offered. Different junk removal companies offer varying levels of service, so it's important to choose one that aligns with your specific needs. Some companies specialize in residential junk removal, while others focus on commercial cleanouts or construction debris removal. Make sure the company you choose is equipped to handle the type of junk you need removed, whether it's furniture, electronics, yard waste, or renovation debris. Additionally, some junk removal services offer eco-friendly disposal options, such as recycling or donating usable items. If sustainability is important to you, look for a company that prioritizes environmentally responsible disposal practices. A reputable junk removal company will separate recyclable materials and donate reusable items to local charities, reducing the amount of waste sent to landfills. Look for fast and flexible service. When you're clearing out your home or business, timing can be crucial. Look for a junk removal company that offers flexible scheduling options and can provide same-day or next-day service if needed. Some companies offer emergency services for situations like eviction cleanouts, estate cleanouts, or after-storm cleanups. The best junk removal companies are known for being punctual and efficient. They'll arrive on time, ready to work, and complete the job in a timely manner without compromising on quality. A company that offers quick, efficient service ensures that your space will be cleared out as soon as possible, allowing you to move forward with your plans, whether it's moving into a new home or starting a renovation. Read reviews and ask for recommendations. Customer reviews can provide valuable insight into the quality of service you can expect from a junk removal company. Take the time to check online reviews and ratings on platforms like Google, Yelp, and Angie's List to gauge the company's reputation. Look for companies with a strong record of satisfied customers, and pay attention to any negative feedback to avoid potential pitfalls. Additionally, ask friends, family, or neighbors in Austin for recommendations. Word-of-mouth referrals from people you trust can help you find a junk removal service that has a solid reputation and a history of providing excellent customer service. Ensure the company prioritizes customer service. Choosing a junk removal company with excellent customer service is essential for a smooth experience. From the initial consultation to the final removal, the company should be courteous, respectful, and professional. A good junk removal team should be easy to communicate with, listen to your needs, and answer any questions you have about the process. The company should also be prepared to handle any special requests or concerns, such as safely removing fragile items or navigating tricky spaces. Choose a company that demonstrates a commitment to customer satisfaction and provides a positive, stress-free experience. Check their availability for ongoing projects. If you're working on a larger project like a renovation, home staging, or ongoing decluttering, you might need regular junk removal services. Look for a company that offers ongoing services or flexible scheduling for repeat visits. Some junk removal companies offer subscription-based services or regular cleanouts, which can be a great option if you're tackling a major cleanup or downsizing over time. Conclusion: choosing the right junk removal company in Austin can make all the difference in making your home or office clutter-free and organized. By considering factors such as transparent pricing, experience, range of services, customer reviews, and eco-friendly practices, you can find a junk removal service that fits your specific needs. Whether you're moving, renovating, or simply clearing out unwanted items, a reliable junk removal company will help you save time, reduce stress, and ensure that your space is clean and ready for the next phase. By selecting a trusted and professional junk removal service, you'll enjoy a hassle-free experience that leaves your home or business looking its best.